Yes, my name is Jonathan Tim, and what I'm going to be doing here is demonstrating this program that I've named Netflix Guide. What I've done here is the television that I normally use to view Netflix content, and I brought up the page that is the instructions for setting up Netflix. I'm going to download the distributable package, which is just a zip file. All the other prerequisite software has been installed on this computer that we're looking at the monitor right now. Take just a couple minutes to download this. About a 17 megabyte file. This includes all the dependencies that are needed to run the program. While we're waiting for it to download, I'll be using a Z-Pad, Android Z-Pad, with the Mozilla browser app installed on it to communicate with the listener program that I'm going to be installing on this computer momentarily. This is what I'll be using here. Alright, so it looks like it's done downloading. So I'm going to close that. Minimize this one. I'm just going to go ahead and copy the file to my desktop. And then go ahead open up a command prompt here. This will allow us to actually see the listener as receives commands. Rather than just listening silently. Alright, go ahead and start the listener program. I just executing the run app batch file. As you can see right now, zoom in over here. As you can see, it's actually listening for the by checking the command.jsp, in which right now it's getting a lock, releasing the lock after receiving no commands. Alright, so what I'm going to do is use the Z-pad to communicate, which I've already brought up the website. Let's get this in focus. Alright, so go all movies. Brings up some content here. Try to make this easier to see. What we're going to go with, select the fifth element, and go ahead and send the command to play. Alright, so now the command has been sent to play. So the listener has received the command. I can see that in the commands that it's now executing the open Neflix command. Go ahead and, while that's loading, return back to the main menu for in the web interface. I'll go ahead and wait for this to get going. Take a little bit to load all them photos when it comes to starting Netflix. It's a lot easier to switch once Netflix is going. So now we've started the content, which is this is the fifth element that I selected. All right, so it's starting up here. And so once we get going, it's started. We're back at the main menu on my remote here. I'm going to select remote, and as you can see, the content is a small. It's not been maximized, so I'm going to go ahead and do full screen. And that content's been maximized now. And demonstrate a couple other things. I'm going to do the pause play. This is paused. This now it's playing. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward rewind. So it automatically pauses it at that point, and then I want to, fast forward, let's say a minute. So in 60 seconds, fast forward, and we can see. And move forward. We'll move forward again just so you can watch it. Alright. Now we're going to press resume. And beginning to start here again. And I'm back to the normal menu. So you can return here. Now we're going to do one other thing. We're going to move to a different movie. So we'll go ahead and all movies again. We're going to go ahead and go with, let's see, Boondock Saints, or no, Beverly Hills Cop. So we expand that. We want to play that. So now we're going to go ahead and so it sent the command. So now we're starting Beverly Hills Cop. And go ahead and get back. Wait for it to go back. And we're going to go to remote. And we're going to hit full screen again. And there we go, we're maximized. So that's all I got for demonstration. I thought I might make it a little easier, since if you would see how it works if you're going to set it up on your computer. Thanks for your time.